How to activate Facebook dating. So you can't actually do this on the browser. You have to use the Facebook mobile app. So once you're on the mobile app, head over to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you find dating. Click on that, and you're going to have to enable location services. That is pretty much how you enable Facebook dating. Who can use Facebook dating? It's available for the App Store for Android or iPhone. You have to be at least 18 years or older, and you have to have a Facebook account that is at least 30 days old for security purposes. And you also have to live in a country where dating is available. And here's the full list of Facebook dating countries. It includes many countries, and it does restrict minors, so it's very secure and safe for people to use. But once it's enabled, Facebook dating is pretty similar to like a Tinder dating app, your typical dating app, where you find matches, you like other people, and then if it's a match, it will connect you to a chat.